So the next task is to create a hub connection. At the moment this is my direct connection, which I've also now saved as hub connection. I'm going to take this cable away, this one here, that's the crossover cable. To do that, the best way to do it is just to kind of click on things and then press the delete key. And you see this little kind of cross appears, and when you click on things with it, it disappears things. So be careful as you do it. So it's still on delete mode right now. Right, I want to keep these two PCs intact, so press the escape key and that brings it back. So it's the delete key, clicking things makes a little X. So that's it deleted. What I want to do is add in a hub. Now over here there's lots of things you can look at, but over here it says network devices, and the third one along says hub. Click on hub, and the little panel here shows you some hubs, and this is the one I want, the first one. And I drop it between the two PCs. Next thing I want to do is connect some cables. Now the last cable we used was this thing called a copper crossover. We'll not use that. We use the one to the left of it and it says straight through. So clicking straight through, then click on the PC, select the Ethernet connection, click on the hub. Then the hub's got lots of connections, just pick any one at all. I usually won't use the ones at the top. Then do the same thing again for the other PC. Ethernet connection to the hub, and then pick one that's free, that's not been used yet, then click away. So that's a hub. A hub broadcasts all information from one device to all the rest of the devices. So imagine this PC had to send information to that PC. It'll be sent down into the hub will receive the information and then broadcast it to everything connected to it. So it'll send it back to the originating PC, but also to that PC on the right. Broadcast, that means send to all basically, right? So it's send to all. What you do is quickly check to make sure the connection still works. We'll have a connection from last time established. If you remember, this one was number 10, so we're okay that way. What I'll do is I'll go to the command prompt. I'm going to type in ipconfig. When I type in ipconfig, it gives me the basic IP address information about this device. So I can see it as 192.168.0.10. What I'll do is I'll ping the other device. I'm receiving a reply, which means it's went straight to the hub, that ping message, and the hub's received it, and it's went to this PC as well, and this PC's replied back, went to the hub, and the hub's again sent it back here. But remember, the hub does broadcast to all, so even the original device receives its actual information it's sent in the first place. It's not a very good device to have on a network anymore. Right, hubs are older devices now. I'll now go to the other PC and type in ipconfig again, and I can see its network address ends in 20. And I'll ping the other one. And again I get a reply, so it proves that the hub connection is working well. And again I'll make sure I've saved this. It's this one I've called hub connection. And that's that one done as well.